Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just made some examples of some of the dies I received the other day. These are from Andy's store on AliExpress. The first one that I played with is this one, which is like an award. What's this called? Sorry, I'm lost for words, guys. I've had a rough day. Trophy, there we go. So I made this a Halloween one. I did it in holographic. Obviously I used a Halloween mix. I added this little bat and spider web in the corner, and then I did wicked costumes. So you could do this in a scrapbooking layout. You don't have to make it a shaker, but you know, best dressed, any type of costume like that. I think that would be super fun, or like most festive, stuff like that. You don't have to just use it for like my kid won a soccer game, if that makes sense. So super cute. I love the way that this little Halloween one turned out. Next is, I'll show you this in a minute because I'm just going to back it behind something. So I'll do this. This one is a snowman, and like the scarf, the hat, the nose, everything has a stitching detail on it, which I love about that. So here he is, super cute. The little hat has the layering pieces, a little snowflake. The nose has stitching. I puffed this part of the dimensional part of the scarf up. There's a little string and stuff. Very cute little snowman. And continuing on with the stars, the North Stars. Here they are like this. I feel like these would just be perfect when you're layering something up. You can just layer your Christmas stuff up behind it and give your project dimension if you needed more stuff, you know, behind it. And this star is stitched, and it comes in 3 different sizes, which are so cute. And I cut it out in that fancy textured gold paper. I can't wait to play with these and glue them down onto something, you know. Very, very cute. Next is this die. This is actually a little shaker bowl with a drip. So I figured this would be super cute for like Christmas or baking theme. So it's a bowl, it's got a little whisk, and then it has like a drip detail that goes on like part of the bowl. And I did that again in that gold, and then just a fun like pastel little mix in there. And I think this would be cute with like a word, like a sentiment, like baking word on there. Very, very cute. And then next is this one. This is actually the little gnome with the shaker hat. And here he is. I cut him out in 110 pound in the black. And I think next time I would do this in white and then just fussy cut his boots out and do black right here, because you can kind of see some of the black in the background. And I was like, dang it, I should have just cut the whole thing out in white. You need to glue down the belly, the beard, and then do your shaker part. And then you can do the nose last. But I just did like little candy peppermint swirls in the hat part. Very cute, and I think it'd be cute to add like a little bell dangling and jingling right here. Little gnome guy. And then last but not least is this one. It's just a little 2-piece die, but it creates such a cute little shaker. I cut the back piece out in, oh my gosh, all these little pieces in pink, and then shoved the sequins that would fit like in the small area. It's just like a silhouette outline of like some haunted houses and then bats and stars flying overhead. Cute little circle, and I feel like this would be really cute like on a rose set, just one of those cute circle embellishments, or shaker embellishments I should say. Alright, so those are the examples that I made today, and I will catch you guys and link everything down below. I will see you on the next video. Alright, bye guys.